Here's how to fix the could not connect to Apple Watch software update error while updating your Apple Watch. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. If you're using a VPN, turn it off for now from the VPN app or move to the Settings app and scroll to General. Scroll to the VPN and Device Management option, tap on the I button, and delete the VPN profile to stop auto-connecting the VPN. Go back to the main Settings app and keep Bluetooth enabled, because your iPhone and Apple Watch need both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to communicate properly. Now, place your Apple Watch on its charger and make sure it has at least 50% battery. Keep your iPhone close to your watch throughout the update process. Something is stuck, and there is a connection issue. Next, restart both devices. For iPhone, press and hold the side button and either volume button on your iPhone, then slide to power it off. For your Apple Watch, press and hold the side button and slide the power off slider. Turn both devices back on after a few seconds. If you're still getting the error, open the Watch app on your iPhone. Tap General, then Storage. If you see a partially downloaded WatchOS update, tap it and delete the update file. Then go back to General, Software Update, and try downloading it again. Still no luck. Then reset the network settings of your iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, go to General, scroll to the last on-screen option, Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, and then choose Reset Network Settings. Your saved Wi-Fi passwords will be removed, so you'll have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network afterward. Also, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS that's compatible with your Apple Watch. If your iPhone software is outdated, update it first, then try updating your watch again. If the update still won't connect, unpair your Apple Watch from your iPhone. Open the Watch app, tap All Watches in the top left corner, tap the Info button next to your watch, and choose Unpair Apple Watch. After the unpairing process finishes, pair it again and try the software update. If nothing works, the issue could be related to Apple's update servers. Wait for a while and try again later. That's it. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Please like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more Apple tips and troubleshooting guides.